Hello everyone, smiling face with smiling eyes. Welcome to today's English speaking practice podcast. If you are an absolute beginner, this podcast is for you. You do not need good English. You do not need confidence. Just listen, relax, and repeat. I will speak slow English. You can pause the video anytime. Let's start. Speaking Head Part 1. Simple English Warm-Up. Let's begin with easy words. Please listen first. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Good evening. Good evening. Very good. You are doing great already, seedling. Adult Part 2. Talking about yourself. Now, let's talk about you. Listen carefully. My name is John. My name is John. Now you say your name. My name is underscore. Next sentence. I am learning English. I am learning English. Say it again. I am learning English. Nice and slow. Perfect, thumbs up. Globe Showing Europe Africa Part 3. Country and language practice. Now, let's practice one more sentence. Listen. I am from India. I am from India. You can change the country. I am from underscore. Very nice. Next sentence. English is not easy. English is not easy. But listen. English is possible. English is possible. Yes, smiling face with smiling eyes. Speech Balloon Part 4. Daily conversation. Podcast style. Now, let's have a small conversation. I will speak for two people. Listen first. Person A, hello. Person B, hi. Person A, how are you? Person B, I am fine. Now repeat after me. Hello. Hi. How are you? I am fine. Great job, glowing star. One more time, slowly. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. Turtle Part 5. Helpful English sentences. These sentences are very important. Listen and repeat. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you repeat, please? Can you repeat, please? Excellent. These sentences help you every day. You did something very good today, clapping hands. You practiced English. Remember, slow English is okay. Mistakes are okay. Learning takes time. Listen to this podcast again tomorrow. Speak a little every day. Thank you for listening. Subscribe.